Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Sizzle to make low-carb French toast. So you ready? Let's get into this. Keep in mind that if you're using a Ninja Sizzle to make this recipe, you're going to be using the griddle. That means you have to have either the GR101, or if you have the GR100, you'll have to go out and get the griddle for it. For this recipe, we're going to need eggs, some Kroger Carbmaster milk, sugarless maple flavored syrup, a little bit of monk fruit sweetener, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some low-carb bread. There's a lot of low-carb breads on the market and you're free to choose whatever you like. If you've been watching for a while, you know that I like a lot of the Kroger stuff, and their Carbmaster line has just released bread. And I'll tell you what, this stuff tastes fantastic. It doesn't have any of that weird texture that you get from a lot of those keto breads. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. The first thing we need to do is get our Ninja Sizzle preheating, because it's going to take about 7 minutes to get there. So we're going to turn this on and set it to 350 degrees. While the griddle's heating up, we're going to take a medium-sized mixing bowl, put in our eggs, our milk, the monk fruit sweetener, the nutmeg and cinnamon, the vanilla extract, and our maple syrup, and we're going to whisk this until it's evenly combined. If you haven't noticed, that's all of our ingredients except the bread, so if you got anything else laying around, it should be in here. And once you have it mixed up like this, we're going to set it aside and we'll wait for the Ninja Sizzle to heat up. If you decide that you want to have some toppings for your French toast, this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and get those ready as well. Hey, I get a lot of people asking me what kind of sweetener I use since I'm not using real sugar. And I always tell them that I use monk fruit sweetener, but I never tell them which brand. I use the Duralife brand from Amazon. I don't have any kind of brand deal with them or anything like that, but this tastes just as good as the Lakanto stuff, and the good part is it's a lot cheaper. This is a 5-pound bag, and I get it for something like $35, $36, just depending on whether it's on sale or not. And since there's so much in here, it ends up lasting me quite a while. Anyway, if you like monk fruit sweetener, you could probably save a few bucks with this. If you want some more information about that, we do have a link to it down in the description of the video. Once your griddle's preheated, it'll be time to cook. So give your mix one more quick whisk, and that was kind of hard to say, it took me like 7 times. And we'll take each piece of bread and soak it on both sides. Then we'll transfer each one to the griddle. You want to cook these for a total of 10 minutes. So once 5 minutes has gone by, then we'll go ahead and flip them. Don't be messing around with them, trying to look up underneath to see how well it's cooking. Just trust your griddle, and when we're halfway through, then we'll flip.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, we're halfway through. Let's go ahead and flip these over. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Alright, let's check one of these to make sure they are in fact ready. And they are. So we need to get these off of here and get them served up. French toast is one of my absolutely favorite things to have for breakfast. Come to think of it, I don't really have it all that often. A lot of that has to do with all that sugar. However, if you try this recipe, you're going to get all the flavor without having to deal with all those carb calories. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Sizzle GR101 that we used in this video, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where we use that Ninja Sizzle to make a full breakfast. That was with eggs, bacon, sausage, and pancakes. And the best part was everything came out just about at the same time. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.